Embark on an extraordinary performance improvement journey with byteEDGE. Our revolutionary journey takes the learning experience to new heights. Did you know that learners who follow a structured learning path are 46% more likely to complete their courses successfully? With byteEDGE, we make learning personal and seamless. Empower your team with byteEDGE Journey. Customize learning paths based on individual needs, skills, and goals. It's like having a personal coach for every employee. Journey allows one to navigate a curated learning path tailored to goals and interests. You can also choose from byteEDGE Curated Journey for enhancing competencies in leadership skills for mid-managers, digital dexterity, growing sales and revenue, workplace essentials, self-improvement, mental well-being, and many more. It's like embarking on a thrilling quest where knowledge is the ultimate reward. byteEDGE AI algorithms analyze learning patterns and recommend the next steps in journey, ensuring your employee stays on the path to success. Experience the benefits of performance improvement with curated learning journey on byteEDGE.